There is a lot right now in the media, in conversations about mental health in youth, and I think a lot of that comes from the mental health crisis that we're seeing nationwide. The rates of teen suicide are skyrocketing. Huntsman Mental Health Institute and the University of Utah are really trying to fill this gap by creating more initiatives in the community, specifically for my line of work in the schools.
I'm Dr. Aaron Fisher. I'm a faculty member in the school psychology program in the College of Education and in the Department of Psychiatry at the University of Utah. I've really been spending the last 11 years trying to bring contemporary applications of mental health to schools, and that could be through telehealth, that could be through bringing psychiatric supports into schools, really trying to kind of change the education model as we know it to be more effective for kids and their families. I think it's been really exciting here in Utah where we have this really unique context where people want to help and people want to improve outcomes for kids, and to have that community engagement and the support has really been a motivation for me.
Some of the things that I'm most proud of that we've been able to accomplish in the legislature, we have dramatically increased funding for school counselors, psychologists, social workers. I also ran a bill that created a statewide program for youth mental health screening, and we've had thousands of students screened, and many of those youth have been referred to clinical services after those screenings have happened.
Huntsman Mental Health has been extremely excited and motivated to really support some of the evidence-based work that we're doing in the schools. School-wide surveys for students to assess for potential mental health disorder, mental health symptoms, providing earlier interventions such as in-school brief therapy, in-school brief check-ins, providing some education around mental health symptoms and how to manage with different life skills. We also provide some group therapy that really focuses on skill building for youth as well in the schools.
I think it wasn't until the Huntsman Mental Health Institute came on the scene and really, launched their initiative that it felt like there were people who could see this work, but also propel it into spaces it hasn't been before.
Please consider donating to the Huntsman Mental Health Foundation today. Let's transform lives and promote mental wellness for everyone.